Are you looking for the top 5 most popular Citizen watches? Which Citizen watch is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 that have caught everyone's attention. Product number 1, EcoDrive Weekender Garrison. First up is the men's EcoDrive Weekender Garrison Field Watch. Priced at $147, this watch immediately grabbed my attention with its sporty style and practical features. If you're looking for a reliable timepiece that combines function and fashion, this is worth a serious look. This watch operates on Citizen's EcoDrive technology, meaning it's powered by any light source, so you never have to worry about replacing a battery. It has a durable stainless steel strap, a water resistance of up to 100 meters, and luminous hands, making it perfect for those late-night walks or early morning runs. The 43mm case size is just right for a masculine touch without being overly bulky. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This watch can withstand splashes and even a dip in the pool, which is essential for an active lifestyle. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a substantial watch that feels like it's built to last, this might not be a deal breaker for you. But if you want something lighter, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're active and want a watch that can keep up without needing constant maintenance. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight feel in your accessories. Overall, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, this next one... Product number 2, Classic Quartz Men's Watch. Next up is the Quartz Men's Watch, priced at $111. This classic timepiece caught my eye because of its elegant gold-toned finish and sleek black dial. If you're after a sophisticated look without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth considering. The watch boasts a quartz movement powered by a conventional battery, ensuring accurate timekeeping. It features a 40mm gold-toned stainless steel case and bracelet, along with a date function that's super convenient for daily wear. Here's why this matters for you. The timeless design means you can wear it to work, casual outings, or even a night out without looking out of place. However, some users mentioned the clasp can be a bit finicky at times. I'll be real with you, it can take a bit of getting used to, but once you figure it out, it's not a deal breaker. If you prefer a straightforward clasp, this might be something to consider. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish watch that can transition from day to night. Skip this one if you want a robust clasp mechanism. For the price, it's a solid investment in style. Alright, that was product number 3, Men's Classic Quartz Watch. Coming in at $123.95 is the Men's Classic Quartz Watch. What stood out to me was its polished silver tone design paired with a stunning blue sunray dial. If you're after a watch that looks sharp yet is still practical, this one's a strong contender. This watch has a 40mm stainless steel case and a mineral dial window, providing a sleek look while ensuring durability. It features a Japanese quartz movement with an analog display along with a day-date window, which is super handy for your daily schedule. It's water resistant up to 99 feet, so it can handle splashes and brief immersion in water. Here's why this matters for you. The clear visibility of the blue sunray dial makes it easy to tell the time at a glance. Some customers pointed out that the water resistance isn't ideal for swimming. Here's the thing, if you're not planning to dive into pools or oceans, this is still a fantastic choice for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want something that combines elegance with utility. Skip this one if you need something specifically for water sports. It's a great value for a stylish yet functional watch. Product number 4, Classic Luminous Quartz Watch. Next is the Classic Luminous Quartz Watch, priced at $106.95. This model intrigued me with its brushed stainless steel finish and luminous features. If you're someone who often finds themselves in low light situations, this could be the watch for you. This watch features a Japanese quartz movement and a luminous hour and minute hands, making it easy to read even in the dark. It has a 42mm stainless steel case with a sleek design and a small date window for convenience. With water resistance up to 99 feet, it's designed for everyday use but isn't meant for serious swimming. Here's why this matters for you. The luminous feature means you won't be left guessing the time when the lights are low. Some reviews mentioned that the luminous feature could be brighter. Now, I get that it's a bit of a letdown if you're expecting it to light up like a Christmas tree, but remember, it still offers decent visibility in the dark, which is a plus. This is perfect for you if you need a watch that's practical and stylish for both day and night. Skip this one if you want something that shines brightly in total darkness. It's a solid option for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a little more prestige and technology, let's check out my final pick. Product number 5, Men's Classic Addison Eco Drive Watch. Last but not least, we have the Men's Classic Addison Eco Drive Watch, retailing at $190. This one really caught my attention with its timeless styling and sapphire crystal. If you want a watch that screams elegance while being eco-friendly, this is a great choice. This model features Citizen's Eco Drive technology, which means it's powered by any light source and never needs a battery. It has a beautiful blue dial with a date function, and it's water resistant up to 100 meters, allowing for more flexibility when it comes to water exposure. Here's why this matters for you. The sapphire crystal is scratch resistant, ensuring that your watch stays looking new for a long time. However, some users have noted that the price is a bit steep compared to others in the line. Here's the deal. You're paying for that quality and the Eco Drive feature, which could save you money on batteries in the long run. If you're looking for a long-lasting investment, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that combines luxury with sustainability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. For the craftsmanship,
So there you have it. 5 Citizen watches that stand out for different reasons. Whether you need something sporty, classic, or eco-friendly, there's an option for you. Make sure to pick one that fits your lifestyle best.